What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Clipchamp account online. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp. After typing, you will see this first official website of Clipchamp. Click on this website and after clicking, you will see the option of sign in at the top right corner. Click on the sign in option and then enter your email and password credentials. As you can see, I already have signed in to Clipchamp. So if you are new and you are signing for the first time, when you will click on sign in, it will ask you for your email. So just enter your email and the password that you want to set for Clipchamp. So type in your email and password, and then you will be able to successfully sign in or log in to Clipchamp online. So this is how you can log into Clipchamp. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.